Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Messenger and tapping your profile icon. This immediately puts you in control. Once done, make sure the app is updated and you have 2FA ready because changing privacy can prompt reauthentication. Now select Privacy or Privacy Settings from the menu. This is the hub where message delivery, story visibility, and blocked lists live. You do this first to avoid toggling scattered controls. It centralizes options and prevents missettings. Follow the visible categories to proceed to specific controls. You now adjust message controls to define how people reach you and what they see. First, choose who can message you, everyone, friends, or contacts, because this prevents unknowns from dropping into your inbox. Once done, modify message requests and filtered inbox settings to route unfamiliar messages away from your main feed. Also toggle active status and read receipts to control presence and scene indicators. This reduces pressure to respond immediately. Make changes deliberately so notifications and You finish by reviewing the block list, double-checking story and profile visibility, then saving and exiting to apply changes. Once done, test settings using a secondary or trusted account to confirm message routing and visibility behave as expected. If something breaks or settings don't stick, try logging out and back in, clearing the app cache, or reinstalling the app. These steps resolve most sync issues. If problems persist, verify account recovery and two-factor settings before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.